Welcome to day number 7 of the detox. You have made it to the end of the first week. Woohoo! It's time to celebrate. But don't celebrate with bad food. I know it's really tempting. It might be Sunday for you or Saturday and you think, I'll just have one cheat day and I'll be good tomorrow. Don't do this to yourself. Sugar, caffeine, these are highly addictive substances, and the second you start eating them again, all of those cravings will come back. If you have kids, you have watched this with your own kids. If they haven't had sugar for a while, they don't even ask for it. And then the second they get like ice cream or birthday cake, they want more and more of it. So don't do that to yourself. Don't sabotage yourself with the cheat day. Do something extra special for yourself. So if you really want some sweets, I'm going to put down some recipes below to make some healthy, delicious, nutritious sweets for yourself, like chocolate mousse or berry cheesecake. Yum, and not bad for you, doesn't have sugar in it. So treat yourself with kindness, no cheating, and I'll see you tomorrow for week number 2.